The name of this game is called Sound Cylinders. Now I will show you the layout of the game. This is the layout of the game. Now I will teach you how to play the game. Perfect.
Yes.
Pick any cylinder of your choice.
This one.
Shake it close to your ear and listen to the sound. Can you hear the sound?
Yes.
Keep it close to you.
Okay.
So shake the rest of the cylinders one after the other to find a sound that is same as the one you have picked. Are they the same?
Yes, they are the
Very
same.
well. Give me Boza.
Boza.
Very well. Okay. Just pick.
Yes.
Okay. Also pick any cylinder of your choice. Shake it close to your ear and listen to the sound. You hear the sound? Shake the remaining cylinders one after the other to find a sound that is same as the one you picked. They are the same. Okay. Very well. Give me a high five. Perfect. Olivia,
Yes.
pick any cylinder of your choice in the remaining cylinders. Shake it close to your ear and listen to the sound. You hear the sound? Okay. Shake this last cylinder and compare the sound to find out if they are the same. Are they the same?
Yes.
Very well. Okay. So let me have the cylinders.
Together.
Okay. Peter,
Yes.
pick two pairs and shake it to find the loudest sound.
This one.
That's the loudest. Okay, so keep it close to me. Patrick, you've done very well. Patrick, pick a pair of cylinders and shake it close to your ear to find the quietest sound. And the quietest sound. Very well. All done very well. Let's give ourselves a parliamentary clap.
Yeah.